numbers, I would like to share some of the important developments that have happened with us in the last quarter. We have commissioned another unit of 660 megawatt at Mundra power plant. We have commissioned India's largest private sector HVDC transmission system that actually traverses 3 states, Gujarat, Rajasthan and Haryana, covering 998 kilometers. We have also signed a fuel supply agreement with Coal India Limited for its 3 units at Mundra of 660 megawatt each, which will actually give us 6.4 million tons of coal. Last and the most important, that Adani Power has filed adjudication petition with the Regulatory Commission for revision of tariff, which has been heard on 19th July 2012. The Regulatory Commission has heard the matter and asked for further details and has kept the next date of hearing on 28th August 2012. We must say that we are reasonably hopeful that power being an important ingredient for GDP growth, appropriate authority will take the necessary steps and resolve the issue in the next 2 quarters. In the meantime, we will continue to supply the minimum obligatory quantum as per PPA. Now I will touch base on the financial performance of the company, and obviously with the kind of problems that we are facing, what was on account of non-cash depreciation, non-cash losses like depreciation and unrealized losses for mark-to-market provision for rupee depreciation. But at the same time, there is no denying the fact that major part of this loss comes because of non-availability of linkage coal. Number 2, constraint on evacuation of the power, and number 3, unremunerative PPA prices. And it is high time that we actually, as a nation as a whole, because this is not a Adani Power issue, this is the industry issue, this is a national issue for the country as a whole, as we have seen in the last 2 days grid failure, one part of it, that we address all these issues at the earliest possible time. Our operational performance was, we sold 4.55 billion units in the first quarter, and obviously because of constraint on evacuation, our PLF has been toned down to only 63%. The merchant sale which we have done in the last quarter has been reasonably priced, which has hovered in between 4 to 4.5 rupees. We have sold it to states of Maharashtra, Bihar, Gujarat, as well as in Punjab. And as a result of which, our average realization has been higher than the previous quarter. We must also add that for the Tiroda project in Maharashtra, we already have coal linkages for 3 units and have applied for other 2 for the remaining 2 units. As you are already aware that PPA has been already signed for the majority of capacity of the Tiroda plant. Similarly, for our Cr YoY project of Rajasthan, since it is PPA backed and coal linkage is already applied for, we also expect that we will be allotted for the Cr YoY project as well as the remaining 2 units of Tiroda project as well. As far as Lohara coal block is concerned, we have actually redefined the boundaries and the application is pending with appropriate authority.
That's the Adani Power management stock a little under pressure and traded in the back of the earnings, down about 1%.